Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 websites to make money from the comfort of your home. If you are a full-time mom, or if you're a student, or even if you already have your full-time job but you wanted to have some extra cash, I would highly recommend you to go one of these websites and work with them, as they can help you to earn some extra cash. Before we dive right into our content, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaidi Mustafa, and if you want more video just like this, consider subscribe by clicking the red button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that way you're not gonna miss every time I upload my new video. So without further ado, let's dive right into our content. So the first website is called Upwork.com. So you can access this website by typing Upwork.com on your browser. So this is actually a freelancing website where you can find a lot of different categories in this website. So as long as the job you can deliver digitally, you can work with Upwork. Or if you have some sort of skill that you think could deliver digitally, you also can work with Upwork. So let's click on the see all categories. I'm going to be sharing with you the category that they provide in this website. So as you can see here, they has web, mobile, software development, IT and networking, data science and analytic. As you can see, this is actually the main category. So underneath of the each of the categories also have subcategories down below the main categories. So under engineering and architecture, there is a 3D model, architecture, freelancer, and etc. So design and creative, if you good on design, also you can be participate with one of the subcategory here. Also writing, if you good on writing. Translation, if you can speak or write different languages, also you can be participate with one of the subcategory. And if you scroll over down below, there's a lot more categories like sales, marketing, accounting and consulting, and etc. If you want to work with this website, you can click the sign up button and just fill in the simple form and get started. And what interesting about Upwork.com is actually the work has been provided with to you. So what you have to do is just choose the work that based on the skill that you have, and then you can start to work with people who are posting or job in Upwork.com. So that is our first website. Our second website is called Cambly.com. So what is Cambly is, it is actually a learning website where you're gonna be teaching people all around the world English. So if you love to speak with people, if you want to have some partner to have a chat every single day, you can work. This is actually the best fit for you if you really love to speaking with people. And if you have some certificate on English, teaching people English, and if you are a teacher right now and you are really good on teaching people in English, this is actually the best platform for you to make a lot of money. So as you can see here, this is all the native speaker. So there is a plan over here. So this is how they're going to look like. So you are actually going to speak with the people who wanted to speak to learn English online. So they're gonna provide you some sort of software that you're going to use that software to talk with people who want to learn English with you. Alright. So as you can see here, this website Cambly also has been featured on Forbes, Sina, Exam, WebResi, TechCrunch, Folha de Paulo, and etc. So this is actually one of the tutor that has been working with this website as well. So if you love to teach people in English, this is actually the best fit for you. So the next is iWriter. So iWriter is quite similar to Upwork.com, this is also a freelancing website, but this is actually specifically for writing content. So if you good on writing, this is the best platform for you to make money online. So who is going to work with you? So there's a lot of people actually seeking for this type of service. So one of them is blogger. So blogger, sometimes they don't even have a time to blog their blog posts by their own. So they're going to seeking for a ghostwriting, which is most people in iWriter is going to help them. So like ebooks, product description, and many more. So how does iWriter work? So this is actually how this is actually for the client. So if they wanted to hire you, they're going to follow all these 5 steps. So this is the step. So until today, 66,000 job posted last 30 days. So as you can tell, there's a lot of jobs. So 50,000 writer has been working with iWriter, and 7 million article has been written until to this day. So this is actually the writing tiers. So there are four type of content or 4 type of articles. So this is actually going to pay you the most, and this is going to pay you the least. I had some experience working with some of the writer on iWriter, and this is actually the package that I choose the most, and the quality of the writer in iWriter is really good. So you might don't want to miss the opportunity if you are really good on writing. So this is the most prolific writer. As you can tell, this guy here already has 24,000 jobs, which is really amazing. So this is highest rated iWriter. Alright, so guys, if you really good on writing, I think you can head over to iWriter.com and start to join this company by clicking on the right content here, and then you're gonna need to fill some simple form. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so don't forget to click the I'm not a robot and click the submit button. So that's all for this video, and if you find some value throughout my video, click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to constantly upload my video on daily basis. So see you on my next video. Bye bye.